Hello viewers, I am Aftab Ahmed and welcome to my channel InfoQuick. In this video, we will discuss about most important international current affairs of June. So let's see. Question number 1 is, which nation has ended its relationship with World Health Organization? The answer is USA. Question number 2 is, who has become the first woman to reach the deepest, known as Sport Challenger Deep? The answer is Kathy Sullivan. Question number 3 is, an active asteroid is discovered near Dash orbit for the first time in billion years. The answer is Jupiter. Question number 4 is, which international organization has completed 75 years in 2020? The answer is United Nations. Question number 5 is, activist and Nobel Prize laureate Malala Yousafzai has graduated from which university? The answer is University of Oxford. Question number 6 is, which country topped the Environmental Performance Index 2020? The answer is Denmark. Question number 7 is, in June 2020, which country announced to withdraw its forces from Iraq and Afghanistan? The answer is Spain. Question number 8 is, which country is the largest producer of shale gas? The answer is USA. Question number 9 is, who is elected as the president of 75th session of the UN General Assembly on 17th June 2020? The answer is Volkan Bozkır. Question number 10 is, the newly elected president of 75th UN General Assembly, Volkan Bozkır, belongs to which country? The answer is Turkey. Question number 11 is, which country topped according to World Competitive Index compiled by Institution for Management Development 2020? The answer is Singapore. Question number 12 is, which European commercial airlines was a victim of a cyber security attack in which details of around 9 million customers were stolen? The answer is EasyJet. Question number 13 is, who is the founder of audio and video conference tool Zoom? The answer is Eric Yuan. Question number 14 is, which country has topped in FIFA World Ranking 2020? The answer is Belgium. Question number 15 is, according to Deep Knowledge Group, Switzerland rated first, while Dash is second safest country in the world for coronavirus. The answer is Germany. Question number 16 is, which is the most expensive city for expats? The answer is Hong Kong. Question number 17 is, recently which country's Prime Minister resigns from his position? The answer is Kyrgyzstan. Question number 18 is, World Oceans Day is celebrated on which date? The answer is 8th June. Question number 19 is, who has been appointed as the first female head of NASA's Human Spaceflight Mission? The answer is Kathy Leaders. Question number 20 is, which nation has hosted the Global Vaccine Summit held on 4th June 2020? The answer is United Kingdom. Question number 21 is, where is the FIFA headquarters located? The answer is Zurich. Question number 22 is, Global Day of Parents is celebrated on which day every year? The answer is 1st June. Question number 23 is, the 2023 ICC Men's Cricket World Cup will be hosted by which country? The answer is India. Question number 24 is, which two nations have decided to sign an agreement on maritime boundaries? The answer is Greece and Italy. Question number 25 is, where is the headquarters of United Nations Population Fund located? The answer is New York.